Welcome to episode 2 of the Cameo Installation Skill Builder. If you've already watched episode 1 and you want to see if you can figure out your material list on your own, I'm going to walk you through that process right now. The first thing we'll start with is our Cameo. We know we've got 2,500 total feet of Cameo. We're going to have 4 lines of it, so 4 times 2,500 is 10,000 total feet of Cameo is what you'll need. Cameo comes in a 1,000, 2,000, and 3,000 foot roll. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and get 3 rolls of the 3,000 foot and 1 roll of the 1,000 foot. The next thing we'll do are corner collars. We know we're doing 6 lines, so 6 times 7 is 42 total corner collars. Our line post insulators. Again, we've got 2,500 feet the whole way around. We're going to do 12-foot spacing. So 2,500 divided by 12 is 208. We have 6 lines on each post, so 208 times 6 gives us 1,250 line post insulators that we're going to need. The next thing we'll do is the one-way vices. The one-way vices go on our end or gate post. There's 4 lines of Cameo. Each line of Cameo needs 1 at each end gate post. So we have 6 end gate post. 6 times 4 is 24. Our line straps. When the Cameo comes through the end post, through the one-way vise, we want to be able to strap it down to the post itself. We're going to need the exact same amount of line straps that we have as one-way vices. So we'll do 24 of the line straps. The links, that's so you can put 2 lines of Cameo back together. That can sometimes be a guess as to how many of them you'll need. But what I typically do is order 1 link per roll of Cameo. So we know we've got 4 rolls of Cameo. So let's get 4 links. Onto the Cameo pulse. This is the electric for our fence. We're doing 2 lines of the Cameo pulse. So 2 times 2,500 is 5,000 feet. The rolls come in 660 or 1,000 foot rolls. So let's just go ahead and get the 1,000 foot rolls, and we're going to need 5 of them. The next thing we have are the end gate post insulators. The end gate post insulators are how we terminate the electric to our end gate post. There will be 2 of them on each end gate post. So 2 times 6 is 12. Our electric line connectors. When we wrap Cameo pulse around the end gate post insulator, that's what will clamp it back on itself. 1 is plenty. I like to use 2 for redundancy. So we'll need 2 of them for each end gate post insulator. So we had 12 end gate post insulators. Let's go ahead and get 24 of the electric line connectors. And we'll need 1 extra electric line connector where our electric box will connect to our fence. The next thing we need to decide, are we going to do an electric charger, one that plugs into a receptacle, or are we going to do a solar charger? Make sure you mark that down. The next thing we need are ground rods. We recommend 3 ground rods per charger. Those are spaced at 10 foot apiece, but we need 3 ground rods, and each ground rod will need a clamp, so we'll need 3 ground rod clamps. Our underground wire. That's what will connect our fence from one side of the gate to the other, and that gets dug in the ground underneath. For each gate, we'll just say for easy math, these are 10-foot gates. For each gate, we'll have 10 feet going underneath of it, and then we need 5 feet to go back up each side. So let's just figure 20 feet per gate. So we got 20, 40, 60. Our ground rods are 10 feet apart, and there's 3 of them, so we got to be able to go from the box to the ground rods. Figure 10 foot apiece for each of those, so we'll add 10, 10, and 10. We'll add another 30 feet there. And then we're going to do a plug-in charger. So let's say our charger is 50 feet from the fence. So we've got 20, 20, 20. Our ground rods, let's say our ground rods are here. We got a ground rod there, there, there. So we need 10, 10, and 10 more feet to get us back to the box. So another 30 feet there, plus our 50 feet going from our charger to our fence. So we need a total of 140 feet of underground wire for this job. This stuff comes in a 50-foot roll or 165, so we'll go ahead and get the 165 roll. The next thing we need are wing nuts. Wing nuts are what we use to connect our underground wire. When we go under the fence, it'll connect to the bottom line, and then from the bottom line, we use it to connect to the top line. So basically, we need 3 wing nuts for each end gate post. So we know we've got 6 end gate posts, 3 on each side. 3 times 6 is 18. We'll need 1 more wing nut to connect our underground wire to our fence. So 19 wing nuts. The last thing we need, if we're using wood post are screws. And again, you can figure that out. There's 1,250 line posts on this job. Each line post gets 2 screws. We're going to have corner collars. Each of them gets 2 screws. So right there, we're roughly 2,500 screws. So you can decide which size bucket screws you need. They come in 500 or 1,000 screws per bucket. Here's a list of all the parts you need for a Cameo fence. If you want, take a screenshot of this. You can print it off, and that way when you're figuring out your material list, you'll make sure you don't miss any parts. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Our phone number is right here, or you can email us at info@cameofencing.com.